After 8, maybe, years of neglect, I have finally revived the Olympia Typewriter. And as it beckoned to me, I have made a pilgrimage to find and fix it in order to complete some sort of arc or circle or something. All I know is it did not feel like a coincidence. This machine is infused, or rather connected with, something bigger than my understanding. And each word I type is allowing that force to do its vital work on the world around me. And responsibility awaits, as does joy and freedom. I make music, but music has never been the focus of my concern. My focus is in the mysteries of life as my practices evolve so the path becomes clearer and less certain. I'm excited for this new chapter.